Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video recipe, I'm going to show you how to prepare hot chocolate. But before I prepare my hot chocolate, today is also a very special day for me. I received my YouTube plaque. I'm going to be unboxing it and showing it to you. I did not expect that YouTube will review my channel and send me a YouTube plaque so early. I just applied 2 days prior to receiving this and I was totally thrilled. My entire family was really thrilled. My mom and dad, they were really happy. I must thank all my subscribers for this achievement. It's a milestone. I have a lot of things that I learned along the way when I'm doing YouTube. There are so many things I learned, and in my YouTube career I have just achieved so much. I must thank you all for this, and you're the people who have supported me all the way along. It's a very cold and not a very enjoyable climate at the moment in Bangalore. So all the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe to prepare the hot chocolate is going to be sugar, cocoa powder, cooking chocolate, and milk. So I'm going to be boiling the skim milk. I've placed the pot on very low flame and added the milk to the pot. I'll be adding the cocoa powder, sugar, and the cooking chocolate together. The one tip I can give you is use a balloon whisk and keep whisking the milk as you're boiling it. We are using cooking chocolate here. It might tend to burn faster. You have to keep stirring it and boiling it. So in roughly about 5 minutes, my chocolate melted and the milk started to boil. This is on very low to medium flame. I kept whisking this. And once the milk is boiled and you are happy with the consistency, you serve it hot. And that's about it. It's a very simple recipe. All the links to my blog and social media will be in the description box below this video. All the ingredients used in this recipe will also be listed in the description box below this video with the measurements. I've gone ahead and served my hot chocolate right away. I've served my hot chocolate with chocolate wafer. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and post your comments. I must thank you all for letting me reach my milestone. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. Do subscribe, like, and comment. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.